We put the most popular camping chairs to the test and made this list to help you find the perfect one for your needs. There are many products available to choose camping chairs, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping chairs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Coleman Camping Chair with Built. Every big box and outdoor equipment store sells camp chairs that have a similar design to the Coleman oversized quad chair with cooler. But after 3 group camping trips and 6 months of regular backyard use, we concluded that the Coleman chair is far more durable than the cheapest chairs of this design. And it's also more comfortable and functional than similar chairs that cost over twice as much. With ample storage for beverages, a wide seat that testers of all sizes appreciated, and an affordable price, this is the Ford F-150 of camp chairs, big, tough, and widely beloved. Number 2. Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping Chairs. The Kijaro Dual Lock is an excellent value camp chair due to its quality build and supportive design. This chair locks into a taut position that's firm and comfortable to sit in, far superior to cheap camp chairs that sag and bow. The seat also sits a full 20 inches off the ground, making it comfortable for both tall and average-sized adults. It's a bit heavy and bulky when folded, but it has convenient shoulder straps on both the chair and the case for easy transport. If you want an upgrade over cheap chairs that are less durable, we highly recommend the Dual Lock, which is often on sale and will last for years of use. Number 3. Kelty Low Love Seat Camping Chair, Portable. If you're looking for a chair you can share, the Kelty Low Love Seat is a practical and cozy perch for two. Its best asset is its durability, with a strong steel frame, thick quilted fabric, and quality construction. The heavy-duty materials do, however, make it a bit cumbersome to lug around. The good news is that the smartly designed carrying case wraps around the chair and buckles so it's easy to pack up. The case also serves as a load hauler for firewood, gear, or a small ground cloth to keep your feet clean and dry. The low love seat is comfortable, well-made, and provides a simple solution when seating is needed in a variety of situations. There's also a single low-down chair and a 3-person couch as well as a standard height love seat, so there are plenty of options to suit your needs. Number 4. Helinox Chair 1 Original Lightweight. Today's specialty backpacking chairs are impressively small and light. They're also far more expensive and significantly less comfortable than typical full-size camp chairs. We recommend buying this type only if you intend to carry your chair long distances, whether you're backpacking or trekking across Central Park. If you do need a fits and a knapsack chair, we recommend the Helinox Chair 1. We found this model to be slightly more comfortable and easier to pack than other, similar chairs. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Everywhere Portable Hillside Chair. A low-to-the-ground chair can be ideal for outdoor movies,
the Everywhere
concerts,
chair
theater
sits securely on
performances,
any
and other
slope or
events where
terrain.
you want to avoid blocking other
Patented back
people's
comfort
view.
technology
Our testers like the
positions the
comfort and back
backrest
support of
to
the
infinite
GCI
angles,
Outdoor Everywhere
while a
chair,
lumbar
as
support
well as the
cushion
ability
provides
to adjust it to
maximum
sit on
comfort.
uneven ground.
The Everywhere
They also
chair is
appreciate
easy to
its
open,
cup holder and its
fold,
quick
and
close-up
carry
and
with
carry
its
design.
patented-
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.